My video guide will provide you with instructions to help you get rid of the malicious pop-ups that come from the site adsfreewatchnet. These pop-ups by adsfreewatchnet are totally faulty and deceptive. They try to actually promote certain unwanted extension for the Google Chrome browser. I'm not going to mention its name though. But anyway, I'm talking about pop-ups by adsfreewatch.net. The developers of this extension claim that people would be able to somehow block ads and serve the web without ads, but instead this extension actually operates as adware in its nature. Instead of blocking ads, it shows its own ads not related to the sites that you visit. So, speaking about these pop-ups by adsfreewatch.net, don't ever interact with them, don't install anything that they suggest. If you have mistakenly installed any third-party extensions, access the menu, go to More Tools, then Extensions. So if you find any third-party extensions, disable and delete them. I also recommend that you thoroughly investigate the system with the help of Combo Cleaner Antivirus. And the best place to get it is on the page combocleaner.com. So download the software, install the program, and begin researching your device with its help. After you have successfully downloaded and installed Combo Cleaner Antivirus, make sure you click on Start Scan button. Initially, the program is in the trial mode, so only the quick scan option is so far available in the trial mode. The program most likely will first of all update its anti-malware database, and of course this is crucial for proper detection and removal of any malware, ransomware, adware or other infections. While the scanning by Combo Cleaner is taking place, please pay attention to several features in Combo Cleaner, such as anti-ransomware. This feature, for instance, allows to help you to add several folders that will always be protected against ransomware or malware attacks. At the end of the scanning, you will see the detailed summary of all the threats which were found on your computer. You will be able to know the names of all these threats, the locations of all these threats on your computer, and of course, based on that summary, you will be able to remove certain threats manually. However, we strongly advise that you consider upgrading to the premium license of Combo Cleaner Antivirus. This is the best way to remove any possibly hidden malware from your system and to keep your data always protected against any other possible malware attacks. So use Combo Cleaner Premium license to make sure your system is always under the defense against all contemporary threats.